Hi, I am Neil, and this is
Aiden.
And we're from Bentino
Domestic
Services, located right here in Powder Springs, Georgia. And today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna share with you a very useful tip on how to make a citric ginger-based cleaning solvent. Now, this solvent can be used around your home for a multitude of purposes, but we're gonna share with you how to make it so you can save a lot of money. Aiden, tell them about this product.
Okay, here's what you'll need. 3 orange peels, with 1/2 cup chopped ginger, 1/4 cup vinegar, 1/4 cup alcohol, 1/4 cup dish detergent, 16 ounces water, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 3 drops of 100% oregano oil.
After peeling my 3 oranges, the next thing that I want to do is take them and put them in a stainless steel pot. I'm going to take half of my 16 ounces of water and I'm going to pour it into the pot. And then once that's done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the oregano oil, the 100% oregano oil. This is very potent now. Then I'm going to take the ginger, and this is old ginger that I had, and I'm gonna chop it up and I'm gonna put that into my pot with my oranges, and I'm gonna take my teaspoon of fennel, put that in, and we're gonna give it a good stir, and I'm gonna put it on high heat. I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna boil this for approximately 15 minutes. Okay, once I got a good boil going, you can smell the aroma. Give it another stir. I'm going to reduce my heat to low. Now I'm going to take my distilled vinegar, white wine or white vinegar, and I'm going to pour it into my mason jar. I'm going to get my dish liquid. I'm going to take that and I'm going to pour it into the mason jar and the alcohol, and I'll do the same thing with that. Okay, I'm gonna take this mixture now, after that's done, and I'm gonna set it to the side. Next, I'm gonna take the cool mixture from the stainless steel pot, and I'm gonna get a colander, and I'm gonna mix that with what's already in the mason jar. And then from there, what I'll do is I'll get a funnel and I will pour the remaining solution into my sprayer. The last thing that we'll do is take the remainder of the water from our 16 ounce bottle, which should be 8 ounces, and we're gonna mix that with the solution inside the spray bottle. And there you have it. So we've created this general purpose citric ginger cleaner, and it's ready for use.